Hey guys, it's me again. Just a really quick little video this time. Um, this is modded Minecraft again. This is all of this is an expansion of the Redstone stuff in Minecraft. It's called Project Red. Uh, Having some trouble with it actually. It's kind of frustrating. I can like visualize what I want it to do. I just can't quite get it to do it. Um, Basically, I'm trying to do another clock because of a lot of the stuff that's available in this mod. Um, I think it would be, I guess you could say, better as a teaching tool than the my first digital clock was. So I've been trying to work it out and get it to run properly, but it's like all of the different stuff you saw in the digital clock. There's individual blocks that represent that here. So like I had the timer. It's all condensed down into one block, and it's actually 1 second um, instead of whatever ticks that managed to actually get it to add up into. Um, anyway, the problem, like I've got for the most part this part of it figured out. It's just all spread out. I had planned to try to make it a little more compact once I actually got it working. I'm just not that to that point yet. The next step over here is the display. Um, so, um, really quickly, what I was trying to do here, and I'm going to explain it to see if maybe somebody can help me figure out where I went wrong. I mean, I have a fairly good idea of what's happening. I just don't know how to fix it. Anyway, so I've got this toggle switch here set up to test it. This one should be number 9, I think. Yeah, 0 through 9. Um, so what should happen is if I turn this on, uh, the power goes into the blue wire. It goes into this bundle cable, which the bundle cable, all that means is basically you can have a whole bunch of different colors going into the bundle cable, but when they come out the other end, they're not going to get mixed up. They're going to come out as that color. So like, for example, it goes into the blue, but it does not power the light gray, which is really useful. Um, Anybody who's played with Redstone knows that. Oh, come on. Okay. Knows that keeping wires from crossing can be a bit of a pain, but put that back. So anyway, goes into the blue, goes down this bundle, or cyan actually, comes down here, and then goes into this bundle frame array. Um, Now the idea here is that each wire comes out, powers this red uh, red alloy wire, and lights up the face. Um, the problem is when I do that, and you'll see here pretty quickly, everything lights up. Now, like I said, I can see what is going on. Basically, the power is coming out this, well, we'll say this blue wire right here, or the cyan wire right here, hits this red alloy wire and then goes back into the gray. And then, of course, that feeds into all of the gray outputs in the entire um, network. Uh, which is actually kind of frustrating because I thought this was kind of cool looking. But anyway, so um, so yeah, that's the problem. If I um, let's see here, yeah, and of course that's going to happen with each one, no matter no matter what. Even if I were to put it here, same problem. It would come out that color, and then it would feed into all the other colors. Um, so yeah, I can see, like I said, I see the problem. I know what the problem is, but I'm not familiar enough with this particular mod, which is Project Red, by the way. I'm not familiar enough with this particular rod to quite know how to fix it yet. I have a couple of ideas, and I'll show you real quick. Um, there's this part here, which I haven't really played with yet, but I think this bus input panel, if I run this down here, come on. Right, that feeds into this. Um, let's stop that thing from coming back over here. Okay, so I think, because this has got like all the different colors, and I think if I, that's not really sure which one's cyan. Is it this one? And then well, anyway, like I said, I'm not really sure how to use it quite yet. But anyway, I think what would happen is the power would come through, and then it would spit out only that color, I think. So if any of these other ones became powered, it wouldn't come through the other side. Of course, doing it that way, I would need, there's a couple other bus converter. I wonder what that does. Anyway, um, so I could maybe use this, but I think I would have to, and I've kind of already had to deal with this over here. I would have to have a different setup for each input, which is kind of what I was trying to avoid. Um, I wanted to try to make it a little more compact than the last one, but so yeah, that's the problem, and I'm hoping somebody who's dealt with this mod can help me figure out a solution. Um, I'm just not sure what the next step should be. I'm gonna try to read up some more on this Project Red. It's kind of difficult. Their wiki is not very well put together, it seems like, or at least the one that I could find. But let's see. But yeah, so if anybody's got any ideas, love to hear them. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this, share it to a couple of places. See if I can find like a mod sauce community page where I could post the question, and maybe somebody on there's dealt with this Project Red. Um, but anyway, I'm going to take a break and let this video get processed and uploaded and stop banging my head against the wall. So, have a good day, and I'll catch you later.